Hello my dear friends, it's Foxy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm a little in a rush because this is my birthday. I'm getting ready for a birthday brunch date with my husband. This is gonna be really fast get ready with me video. So if you're interested, let's get into it. First product that I'm gonna be using today is Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. You can tell that I use it because the packaging literally speaks for itself. A few years ago, I was pretty scared of aging, and now I feel like aging it's beautiful. I'm turning 27 today. I'm gonna add some Copacabana Bronze Glow Oil on my... on my collarbone. If you're getting older, it doesn't mean that you're getting less beautiful. Honestly, I feel much more confident in my body right now when I'm 27 than I felt when I was younger. If I was scared of it before in the past, right now I'm just enjoying it. There's a little excess on the brush and I will add it here on my cheekbones. So yeah, sometimes I see those little tiny fine lines on my face, the smile lines when I smile, and under my eyes I'm gonna add Born This Way Ethereal Light Concealer from Too Faced. I don't really feel like those fine lines are a bad thing because I have them for a reason as well. I have them because I smile a lot, because I enjoy this life. I honestly thought about getting Botox to prevent those fine lines, but I just changed my mind. I don't know, I don't want to do that because I love seeing what I'm seeing in the mirror. I love seeing those fine lines. I love seeing the result of me enjoying this life. So yeah, if you're scared of fine lines and of aging, maybe if you will look at this thing from the different angle, maybe you will change your mind as well. This concealer is literally ethereal, so the name matches the product pretty good. Now let's add contour. I'm gonna be using Chic Glam for this purpose. This is in the shade Clay. This is my favorite part of any makeup I do because this looks crazy until you just trust the process and blend it. I'm always trying to be super careful with hairline because if you don't blend it into the hairline, it's super visible. I'm gonna set my face makeup right now with Fix Plus from MAC. Now let's add some powder. I'm gonna be using Kosas Candy Cloud Set. Applying it with Hourglass, this dual-sided brush. I'm gonna apply it with the bigger side. This brush is super soft. The product itself is super soft. It's super sheer-like. It's literally like cloud, and the brush is super soft as well. Now I'm gonna add some color to my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using Hoola Bronzer from Benefit. This is the mini one. I have a big one and I have the mini one. I bought it specifically to use it on my eyebrows. This is what I use instead of eyebrow powder because this is a perfect shade match. I bet you can see how good the shade match is. It's literally like my hair color, like maybe a little bit darker, but it looks just right for me. I'm gonna set my eyebrows with Zola Long Lasting Effect Brow Power Gel Extra Hold. This is Ukrainian brand and I really love this brand so much. Sometimes I do eyebrow lifts, eyebrow illumination, and their Lamy products are so good. Now I'm gonna be using Flower Nose Butterfly Cloud Color Collection Embossed Highlight and Contour Palette in a shade 02 Tawny Tea. I love to use this one to highlight my under eye with this brightest shade. Now to highlight my forehead, I'm gonna be using the small side of this brush and the highlighting shade of this palette. Now I'm gonna move to this interesting box. I received it in my PR. I honestly didn't know that it's coming. It's not really birthday makeup. It's not something crazy going on here. But yeah, let's try to integrate these products into my daily routine. Let's start with a highlighter. This is called Choice is an Illusion highlighter. This shade is beautiful. So maybe the packaging is not my cup of tea, but the product, it reminds me of Diamond Bomb from Fenty. So let's try and add it to my cheeks. I'm applying it with Kaleidos H2 Precision Highlighter brush. And honestly, the packaging of this product kind of reminds me of Kaleidos packaging. But this is crazy. The highlighting effect, the shine is crazy. I honestly didn't expect that, and I think it's even more shiny than Diamond Bomb. Okay, I see how I can love these products. Now I want to add the same shade on the whole eyelid. This was a tiny dot. My whole face will be shiny. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this spoon. I think it's just like a decoration. Let's add some eyeshadows. I'm gonna use this shade on thin angled P. Louise brush for my inner corner. Now with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna grab this, the lightest color in the palette, except this shiny one. I'm gonna add it to my crease. Now I'm going in with P. Louise lip liner in a shade Temptation. And I'm gonna top it up with the lip balm from this Chic Glam collection, Matrix collection. This looks beautiful. It smells like mint, but I don't feel like it's a plumper. It just smells like mint. But let's add a little bit of a gloss in the middle, in the center. The same Matrix collection lip gloss in a shade Super Speed. Just here in the middle. I can see how I can use this collection, even though it's not really my style, but the products are really good. Then I'm adding Etude Doctor Mascara Fixer. It's a lash primer, it's mascara primer. Now I'm gonna be using one of my favorite mascaras. It's Catrice Glam & Dole Easy Wash Off Power Hold Volume Mascara. This is tubing mascara. I love it because it doesn't create mess. It looks very natural, it separates. So this is the makeup, and now let's reveal my hairstyle, my heatless curls. This is beautiful. So this is it. This is my look for today. This is my birthday brunch date makeup. Have a wonderful day and take care of yourself. See you in the next video. With love, your Foxy. Love you, bye.